What is up, guys? Today, I just got an air horn sent in, and we are going to be testing the air horn. I think it's going to be called, I don't know what the child's going to be called, but you'll know because it'll already be posted by the time you're seeing this. I'm doing it like a couple days before it's posted, so yeah, we're going to be testing an air horn, but make sure you are subscribed to the channel. You'll get shouted out and comment down below saying hashtag notification squad, subscribe, turn on notifications because I post every day, hashtag notification squad. So yeah, and share the video so other people can see. Yeah, pretty much it on that. And then smash that like button because this is going to be very loud and we're about to bring it out. So here we go. Big air horn. Dun, 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 dun. It's actually pretty small, but let's see how it's tested. If you're ever playing with air horns, don't put it in like someone's ear because it could like bust their eardrum out. It's winter and mosquitoes are starting to come out. Oh my gosh, mosquitoes are so annoying. Maybe the air horn will scare them away. So, yeah. But I don't know. We're about to test this air horn out. Here we go. 3. It's going to be loud. 3, 2, 1. That was so loud. I just made dogs bark, guys. That's so loud. You can hear. It goes throughout the whole neighborhood. I'm not kidding. Wonder if anyone comes out. Bro, when you spray, it gets like cold. Yee! Bruh, this is actually loud. Guys, we have to do an air horn prank. There's a car. And there's another car, bro. I'm hiding. I'm not even kidding. I'm actually not even kidding. I think they were coming for me. Like a black truck came through and went that boy. This is like really loud too. And it's making dogs bark, neighbors, all them, but who cares? Something like came out. That was a better one. Guys, never put air horns in people's ears. It's extremely loud, bro. First time I've had an air horn, and this little thing right here, so loud. I see your car is just running now. Maybe the truck will come back. I don't know. It's just creepy. But I have a golden retriever, so he's there to protect me. That's why I hid behind the trash cans right there. I'm afraid. Come on. And sometimes if you like do it enough, it starts to get wet on the outside, and then smoke, moisture comes out. It's kind of weird sometimes. A little squeak. But guys, it's actually really loud. Bro, cause that guy like stopped at the top of my driveway and then looked and then like stopped right there and then he went that way, so I don't know, but air horns are loud. They might call the cops or something, but I remember when the Ireland boys went, yee, those aren't even loud, bro. Theirs isn't even that loud. It's just like, gosh. It's like you feel it on your skin, and then it's not wet at all. It feels wet, but it's not even wet. If you want more air horn videos like that, I'll tell you what happens next, maybe in another video. But thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want more air horn videos and pranks and stuff like that, I'll definitely do those. All you gotta do is leave a like. I'll do it either way. So, but it's creepy that just cars like 3 in a row are just driving by. Really creepy. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, peace!